Hey there, friends. Congratulations on your home buying journey. My name is Luis, and I'm with Leal Insurance Services, and I'm here today to talk with you about everyone's favorite topic, home insurance. Wait. I know you are super excited, but I have to ask you, please hold your applause until the end of the presentation. Okay, let's jump right in. Aside from price, there are a few things that you should pay close attention to when considering home insurance. Things like coverage, deductibles, and loss settlement. You have to know right up front that no home insurance policy offered by different carriers is going to be the same. Price typically is not a good indicator as to whether a policy is good or bad. You should ask questions like, what does my policy cover? What are some of the coverage limitations on my policy? What are examples of things that are excluded from coverage? And what is my responsibility in the event of a claim? Water damage, for instance, there are generally 5 different types of water losses, and each are addressed differently in various types of home insurance policies. The 5 types of water losses are going to be wind-driven rain, sudden and accidental, seepage or leakage, water backup, and rising water, also known as flood. Flood is not covered under a standard home policy, and a separate policy is required for this type of loss. Any good home insurance policy will include wind-driven rain and sudden and accidental water damage. But the other 2, coverage for seepage and leakage and water backup, must be added to a standard home policy. Be sure you know how your policy responds to each type of potential water loss. Now, when you file a claim with your home insurance, you share the responsibility of that loss with the insurance company. Your portion of that loss is called a deductible. There are usually 2 main deductibles on your home insurance policy, a wind and hail deductible and a all other perils deductible. Generally speaking, your policy will contain a percentage as a deductible, and the percentage relates to the dwelling coverage, not the claim amount. So, as an example, if you have a home insured for $200,000 and your policy contains a 1% deductible, no matter the final cost of the claim, your responsibility in the event of a covered loss would be $2,000. And that would be subtracted from any payout that the carrier would send. Now, last, let's talk about loss settlements. Any good home insurance policy is going to include replacement cost coverage for both the dwelling and your personal property. That means that in the event of a covered loss, you will be reimbursed dollar for dollar to repair or replace your lost or damaged property. Be careful, because there are home insurance policies that offer what's called depreciated value, or commonly referred to as actual cash value, for your personal property or your roof based on the age. This could mean that aside from your deductible, you might be responsible for additional out-of-pocket expenses that you might not have been prepared for in the event of a claim. Guys, thanks so much for your time today. I hope you've taken just a little bit of good information from our talk today. If you have any questions on home insurance or are interested in a quote, you can find us online at lealinsurance.com. You can also follow us on any social media channel if you search for Leal Insurance Services. Thanks so much for watching.